So this is the unboxing of the Milwaukee pole saw here. And I just want to make note that this is the tool only. It does not come with an M18 Milwaukee battery. Just make note, this does not come with a Milwaukee M18 tool battery. So it really comes in three main big pieces that you just wanted to show you kind of the unboxing of it and kind of what it looks like as soon as you open up the box. So the three big pieces there, but kind of going into the product first, this is a really good product. I really wasn't a big fan of batteries, battery products when they first came out, but just the ease of use and how easy it is to put together. I also want to make note that that's for the bar chain oil. Some people may have questions about that, but that's that little, quote unquote box, that's for the next to the chain is for the bar chain oil. So here's it put together. It's fairly, fairly tall, obviously, which is good. Pretty lightweight also too. And most importantly, it's pretty easy to put together. As you see the arrows there, you just want to essentially lock those in place. So the piece that has the actual, chain, the actual chainsaw, obviously that's going to go up top, and the piece without, anything, essentially just an extension, that's going to go in the middle, and they just kind of lock right in place there. But here's it put together, all together. Again, you got some pretty good length. And here's the pieces for the bar. It's nice because it says, hey, essentially place bar here. So it's really easy, to kind of find, where you put the bar. It's actually fairly easy to put, this bar together. So I'm just kind of showing you that this piece, that little bracket, fits in the bar like that. And then you're going to get the other bracket, just going to sit essentially flush on the bar like that. And then your screw is actually going to come up through the bar. There's actually, your little nut, it actually fits right in there, just kind of perfect like that. So you literally just have to kind of just screw it in, and that nut's not going to go anywhere because it sits flush, and you want to make sure that your screws are pushing out, towards the bar. I know that may sound pretty self-explanatory, but you have to do it that way, trust me. So here's the battery that you need. This is just a basic M18 Milwaukee battery. Obviously, if you don't have that yet, you're not going to really get any power from that. So I'm just kind of showing you how to put the battery on. Of course, on video, that's where I struggle. But if I wasn't on video, just get it the first try. But yeah, this is pretty much it put together. You definitely just want to make sure that you tighten down your poles. I'm going to kind of show you, here. Well, take off your chainsaw cover, and I'm just going to make sure that I have my poles tightened. Again, it locks in place, but you just don't want, a whole lot of movement, especially, obviously using any sort of, chainsaw or anything like that, but yeah, again, it's a great product, really fairly easy to put together, and pretty lightweight, pretty easy to use. So pretty much, and that's pretty much it on how you put it together. Kind of have your two system trigger here on how to use it and how to get the trigger to work. But yeah, it's it being used right now, which is really nice. But I'm going to kind of show you. So your two systems. So you just want to press that down at the top and press it from underneath, and boom, that's how you kind of get it to go. But again, it's pretty lightweight. Really like the product. Definitely helps with with just using a battery as far as ease of use. So this is the strap. I didn't put it on there. If you wanted to, literally you just kind of unscrew that. You put it around the pole, and you're pretty much good to go. Just tighten it. So here's me using it. As you can see, I mean, these aren't the biggest branches, but for the most part, it's cutting it fairly easy. And I'm not really even extending too far out. I got to think that these are probably 12 to 15 feet up, and I'm doing it pretty easy. So I think this is definitely nice for kind of clearing an area that obviously you just can't reach with a regular saw, but with pretty fairly ease of use. So I highly recommend this product. Again, it's very lightweight and easy to use. So but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe for more videos.